Hello Aries, and welcome to your 2-week love reading. I'm Angels in Heaven at Spiritual Guide Tarot, and I'm Lori, and it's a pleasure to do your reading. First of all, I'd like to welcome back my clients and my subscribers. Much love and light and many blessings to each and every one of you. And if you're new to my channel, much love and light and many blessings to each and every one of you as well. Again, this is a general reading. It may not resonate with everybody. Take what resonates and leave the rest. Or hopefully it all resonates. These are the energies that are coming through my cards, okay, from my spirit guides and guardian angels. All right, let's begin. For starters, you're going through changes. You have the Wild Hunt, which is the Tower. It's built on false beliefs, false hopes, false promises, false dreams, false desires, and it's come crashing down. Endings, completions. But know that just because it is a chapter closing, there is also a new chapter beginning. One that hasn't even been written yet. New beginnings is awaiting. You had deceit, the Seven of Swords. Deceit, manipulation, strategizing. Someone pretending to be somebody that they weren't. They lied, they cheated, they betrayed, they manipulated. They were in it for their own self-gain, their own self-worth. They didn't care about your heart. They didn't care about anybody. All they cared about was themselves. Plain and simple. They strategized you. They played a tune and you danced to it until you caught on. Again, deceit. Again, with the Five of Swords, deception, lies, unbridled ambition, winning at nothing, stopping at nothing with sneakiness. They didn't care who they hurt. As long as they were coming out on top and being the winner. They would have stabbed their own best friend if it meant that they were going to come out on top. They were in it for themselves. No conscience, didn't care, as long as they got what they wanted. I clarified it. Was a pentacle. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. Again, the Prince is the Page. They were all about lack of commitment. They were in it for themselves. They had greediness. They didn't want to share. They didn't want to give. They wanted it all for themselves. Taurus, Virgo, or Capricorn. But you do have great things that are coming in. You do have harmony after the strain. This is clearing your mind, clearing your heart, going in a new direction, leaving everything behind, transitioning, leaving all the pain, the deceit, the deception, the lies, going in a new direction of where you want to go, where you want to be, whom you want to be with. With a clear heart, clear mind, and clear intentions. Right now, with the Four of Pentacles, you're conserving. You're not giving, you're not sharing, you're not receiving. You're hanging on to what you have left of your heart. You're just conserving and you're being secure. Because when the new person comes into your life, you're going to be able to share. And you do have someone new that is coming in, by the way. You have the Two of Wands. The Two of Wands is a great card because it means that a new beginning is on the horizon. It means that a relationship is going to develop into a partnership, a new romantic partnership that could begin at work because it's the Two of Wands. This is a new relationship, and if it's not at work, it is somebody who is around you. But it's a brand new beginning, and it's a new partnership that is coming in. You have the Knight of Wands. Again, it's fast, very fast pace. The Knight of Wands is all about a relationship that is going to rock your world. It's going to shake your core to the point that you're going to shiver from your head all the way down to your toes. You're going to make the right choices of where it is that you want to go, what it is that you want to do, where you want to be. You could be traveling, but know that events are going to start to speed up. Blockages are going to become clear. They're going to be lifted. You're going to welcome and embrace new things. You're not going to feel like you're stuck. You're going to have conversations. You're going to follow your intuition, and you're going to push forward. With great success. Again, you have someone that is coming in. You have the King of Swords. They're very practical. They're very loving. Very loving. They don't wear their heart on their sleeve. They wear their heart deep inside of them. They're reserved. It's a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius that could be coming into your life. They think with their head over their heart. They're all about discipline. They're all about truth. They're successful. They're very intellectual. They can grow. They can develop. They're very grounded. They're very compassionate. They're very loyal. When they love very deeply. You also have a cup around you. The Queen of Cups. The Queen of Cups is all about compassion, loyalty, comfort, being calm, being considerate, loving deeply, loving wholeheartedly, with great love. Again, it's a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio. So it could be a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, or a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio that is coming in. Either way, they show up as the Empress, which is the Earth Mother, full of nurturing capabilities, full of potential, full of drive, can flourish, can make things happen, grow, develop, full of wisdom, full of guidance, strength. When she loves very deeply. Again, male or female. Many people are in love with this person because of the qualities that they possess. Because they're beautiful inside and outside. People like to come to them for guidance, wisdom, strength. She's very, very much appreciated. You're tired with the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands is all about, or Nine of Wands, is all about taking a stance, pulling all your reserves together for the final push, standing your ground. You don't have to stand your ground anymore. You don't have to pull all your reserves together. No one's going to take advantage of you. No one's going to push you. You can ease down your staff, and you can move forward with grace. You have two beautiful cards that are left. You have the beautiful Star card. The Star card is here to let you know that you're on your way out of darkness. And the star is showing that someone special is going to come into your life, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. And they're going to bring special prizes. Your life is going to be full of abundance. You're creating a dream that is going to give you emotional fulfillment. You are destined for great things. The star is here to let you know that a soulmate is coming into your life. And this person is going to simply adore you. You have the Knight of Cups. It's going to be a love proposal from this person. Again, it's a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius. Knight of Cups. Very quick, very fast pace. Proposal. A love proposal. It's going to be a very genuine, very real relationship. It's going to grow. It's going to develop. And it's going to be very successful. No one's going to take somebody for granted. No one's going to take your money. No one's going to be deceptive and full of lies. It's going to be genuine, and it's going to be real. You have Angel Romance. A new love, a new person has stirred your romantic feelings. And again, this is all pertaining to either a Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or a Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius that is coming into your life. Soulmate cards. New beginning. A new adventure awaits. Embrace it and live your dreams passionately. When it comes to matters of the heart, there is no right or wrong. Every choice you make expands your understanding of life and love. Twin Flame Soulmate cards. Two hearts merge through an explosion of love. United, they create unlimited wealth. Together, they fulfill their dreams. Again, this is all pertaining to the two signs, Cancer, Pisces, or Scorpio, or the Gemini, Libra, or Aquarius, coming into your life and what you're going to create and have together. I hope you enjoyed your reading. If you would like a more in-depth reading, send me an email, as I have a special going on, and I would be happy to send you all my information. Don't forget to share, like, and subscribe, and definitely leave a comment, as I love your comments. Much love and light and many blessings to each and every one of you. I will see you all again on the 15th. Bye for now.